Hey y'all, I just wanted to hop on and give you a quick review of the Virgo and Gem dip liquid system. Now, as y'all know, I did already give a review of the Virgo and Gem peel base, which I'm a big fan of. So to start out with, this base. So this base is thinner than a lot of them that I've used, and I was worried about that, but y'all, this is easily controlled. I have no issues with cuticle flooding or anything of the sort when I use this liquid. It is thin, but it somehow stays exactly where you put it. Super easy to work with. It dries relatively quickly, but not so quickly that you can't do like a simple ombre. I haven't had any issues in that department. I love this stuff. The activator is activator. That's kind of all I have to say about that. I haven't really found an activator that doesn't do what it's supposed to do. This one absolutely does what you need it to do. This top coat only takes probably 3 to 4 minutes for the last coat to dry. I appreciate that. It comes out shiny and pretty, super easy to work with. I haven't had any contamination issues with any of these liquids. Generally, I, activate, file, activate. I do go in usually with like a lint-free wipe just to make sure everything's gone before I do my top coat. Sometimes I kind of skip that step if I'm trying to rush through it, and even in those manis I haven't had any contamination issues, so that's great. I would highly recommend these. Now, if you are someone who gets dip flu like I am, I can't speak for everyone, but I can tell you that for me, these liquids did give me dip flu. I only tried them without the respirator once just to see. And it was a mild case. It was definitely not as bad as some of the bigger name brands. I'll leave that there. But it did still give me dip flu, unfortunately. That definitely won't deter me from using these liquids again. I'm perfectly fine with wearing a mask for this type of functionality. I am still on the hunt for something that wouldn't give me dip flu, but I will absolutely be repurchasing these because I am super impressed. So, I do believe Virgo and Gem is having a sale right now at the time that I'm posting this. And if you head on over to their Instagram, I'm pretty sure there's a code there that you can use. I did buy these myself with my own money. And that's it. Sorry, I'm forever in pajamas when I do these reviews because that's when I remember that I should be doing them. Make sure you come back this weekend for Swatch Sunday. This weekend's brand is going to be Dips by Chelsea. This is actually some of the colors that will be featured. To see the rest of that order, make sure you come back. Please like this video and subscribe if you found it helpful or useful at all. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @creepybitty_nails. Have a good day. Bye.